Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I recently moved and stuff, so I'm gonna start ordering things online. Okay, so the first thing I bought so far is like a printer. The reason for that is because I do sell a few things online and I do need a printer to print the labels to ship them. So I gotta have that first. I'm about to unbox my printer, so yeah. Today is the next day. It's like I got distracted by one of my kids and then I just left the printer. I didn't finish it. I'm just getting in from work now and I just decided to just finish what I was doing with the printer. I'll be doing an unboxing of the products I bought from H&M. The candle holder right there. It's really nice. Okay, here I have like a heart. You could put like jewelry inside or any other little items and just sit it on a dresser or anything you want. Okay, here I have like a little glass mirror. It just has a little leg to sit it on. It's like a nice little mirror, and this one is for my office. So when I put like shelves on my office, I'll be putting this on it. I also have this mirror. This will be for like my vanity. This is like a nice little mirror. Okay, next I have this nice little, it's like a dish. So this will be for like my living room. My living room has like gold, orange. It's like, yeah, like it's like a gold, orange type of theme. So this will be like for this bookshelf that I'll have, like a gold bookshelf. So this will be on it. So I have this nice little vase. And I'm not sure I'm gonna put this as yet, either in my kitchen or my dining area. I think I actually bought this for my dining area. I have this cute little vase. It's so small. I have this cute little vase also for my dining area. This little cup is for my dining area. I'll be having like a coffee station in my dining area. Then I have this candle. This is for my living room area. And it's like orange candle. And it smells so good. It's plum Nior scented candle. It smells really good. Then I have these glass plates, green glass plates. It's like a set of 4. Good morning. So I'm here in my office, or my space that's supposed to be my office. I need to clean up, get it together, put my desk up and just organize in here. But before I do that, I'm gonna have to go on the road, run a few errands, and then when I come back, then I'll finish. But I'm gonna show you like the mess I have that I have to clean and organize. I have some unboxing, I have some stuff to review and all of that. I just need to get it out of the way so I can actually get the office together. So when I'm back, I'm gonna have to clear out everything, clean the room, clean the windows, get the window blinds up, the desk up, and all the other stuff that's supposed to be in this office. So this is my office space and my work area. So I just show you around. This is gonna be the before, and then you'll see the after, which is also gonna take some time. So everything is not gonna be done in one day. It's gonna take a little time to just finish out. This door is like the closet door. I just have like random bags on here. That's the entrance door. And then in here, I just have like suitcase, work shoes, gym shoes, which I don't even go to the gym as yet. That's just some stuff for work. That's some work jeans, and then some work pants, and then over there's a bunch of gym tights. I really never go to the gym, but I definitely have plans to go to the gym, and that's some tops for gym. So over here now I just have all this stuff I'm selling, and then down here I use this basket for like this one I use for like shorts. That's for skirts that I'm selling. A lot of this stuff, they are brand new, never been worn. Some I wash but never worn, but some of them they still have tags on it and so forth. So it's like a thrift shop. So yeah. And then all this is my lighting. This is my favorite lighting, but it's no longer working. I took it to Jamaica. You know how they be showing the suitcases in the the airplane. So like when you plugged it in and it turns on, the light just been shaking. So I have that one. This one has a mic on it, and then I have this other extra one, and then I have this short one for desk. Then this is just a box of like sheet, towel, blankets in there. Yeah, so it's like a bunch of, you know, stuff to organize the house, curtains, all of that in there. And this is some other stuff. I'd say this is like a box of decor. And then this is like some clothes I need to go through. Like some I'm gonna give to the Salvation Army. Some I'm gonna possibly sell. And then this is some shoes. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them either. That was my shoes. I worn it once, but I'm gonna get rid of it. And then these are all new brand shoes I have to sell. All in here, shoes right there. And these are just decor stuff and a bunch of different stuff in these boxes. And this is a box that I took something out of. This is my mannequin that I use for thrift stuff, like the clothes I'm about to list on Mercari and stuff like that. And then all these is packages from Temu. This is like a package from Shein. I think these are some benches. This one, and I have another one somewhere. That is like stuff I need to put up. I think this under here, this box is my desk. My printer, this is stuff for my desk, and this is just stuff I have to review and unbox. Here is like a box with a bunch of handbags. I don't have a place for them as yet, but I think I'm going to keep them in this office, so that's why I have them there. So I need to get like a shelf. And then this I think these are the blinds for this room, and then this is the blind for my kids' classroom. I have one up and I need to put the other one up. And then this is like some box I need to unbox. It's a pretty big room. Might look small, but it's not. Oh, and these are wigs. The top one is like all colored wigs, and the bottom one is black wigs. I also need somewhere to put those. I have a set of baskets that's coming today. It says it will be delivered today from Amazon. So I'll put another one, this big size over there, and then I'll put like jeans in it. Gotta get ready, get on the road and get some stuff done, and then come back and work on here. If I can't, then I have to do it tomorrow. Today is another day. It's like actually night. So I didn't get the chance to come home and continue like cleaning out the office and try to set it up, but it's night now. And the thing is, there's not much lighting in this room because I guess somehow I turned on the blow dryer and heater, like 2 heater plus the blow dryer together, and it just knocked out the light. It didn't knock out all the light in all the rooms. The hall light, the kitchen light is still on, but the bedroom lights are like all. And I just want to get this video out of the way, so I'm just ready to like clear out this room and put the stuff in that needs to be here and just take out whatever doesn't belong in here. So I clean out that corner to that corner. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this side right now. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packages, and I'm gonna start with the smallest packet. This is supposed to hold pencil with. I have an autistic son and he doesn't like holding pencil. He doesn't hold the pencil at all. I always have to hold his hand, and I feel like this might help him to like kind of grab the pencil a bit. He used to cut like apples and stuff like that. These are some mini painting boards to like paint on. Altogether it comes with 6. So this is for like the classroom, just for like art and craft day. So I have those. Also have this painting for the wall, and you could just hang it like that. Then I have this stuff for my kitchen. You put it underneath your cupboard and you put the paper towel on it. And the last thing in this package is this lighting for like phone with like a little mic and stuff. This is a puzzle for a classroom. This is like the alphabet signs right here. This is like a sensory letters and numbers. This is the number side and this is the letter side. This is a set of books, and they're like real tiny books. also for my special needs child. So it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's like $10. This is right here is like for like bracelets. A small candle holder. Some thank you stickers. I use those for like stuff I sell online. I just put the thank you on the package. It's like alphabetical sign language again. I didn't know I bought 2. A calendar for your desk. So I'm gonna be putting this on my desk. There are some flowers. They look better on the they look better on the website. They're for my bathroom. This is for my desk. I can just put the cards in it and you just sit on the desk. This is like a Bible emergency number I could frame and put on my wall. So I had 2 of these flowers. So it's 1, 2. I bought 2. These are some stuff I need to frame. These are very beautiful. These are for my bathroom also. This now, it's like a saving challenge stuff. This is for my son for the classroom. It's like body parts. These are some back gloves. So all together it's like 5 sets. A pair of gloves in each set. This is like a vase. I already have like a similar one. And it comes with a glass inside. So I guess you put the glass inside and you put the flowers and stuff in here. This is a second vase. Put the flowers in this here. This is for the desk in my office. So this is like to hold pens and stuff. Then there's this stuff to like mash the potato. This last stuff I have is also for my desk. So it's like to put like random stuff in it and just place it on your desk. Okay, this is the basket. So this is 2. This is like a smaller size and a larger size together. Just gonna do the windows. I'm gonna take down these, clean the windows, and put up the curtain blinds. So that's it. And that's the other one. This one doesn't fit exactly. I don't know what's the difference, the window size. I thought both windows were the same size, but they're like just a tiny bit inch, not even, it's like a 1/4 inch off. So that's why it's like that right there. But I'll fix it soon. This is like the next day. I'm working on the desk right here. I started during the day, but now it's like night again. Lighting problem. But this is the time I actually have to do these things. Also, I ordered like a chair for my desk. It was delivered. Someone stole the box with it in it. So I'll just show you what chair I wanted, and you know, I'm gonna put it in the, like right here. But I'm gonna have to rebuy it because I did get a refund, which is good. That exact color is like hard to find because I want in here to be like white and pink, you know. And there's like other stuff I'm gonna put in here as time goes and just put like a bunch of decor and everything. But for now, I'm just starting out just the desk, the chair, and whatever I have so far. So that's what you guys will see after I finish tonight. So as time goes, I just put the other stuff in and then I'll give you like an updated view of the office. Okay, so desk is finished. Just gonna wipe it off. I'm just gonna show you guys what I done so far. I have over here still with the clothes. I did get the extra basket over here. So now I have all 3 baskets. And that's just one lighting for now, but I'm gonna put the other lightings along with that. It's in the middle, but I really wanna put like a shelf here and a shelf there. Then in this corner, I have this tree that I use with this mannequin to like take pictures. It doesn't have a pot as yet, but I'm gonna get a pot to put it in. And then I have that. Then over here on the desk, it's like this side, I have this little calendar I get from Temu. This little stuff here is also from Temu. And then this is for pens from Temu. I have my printer. And I have this little stuff I get from IKEA. So I put like papers and stuff. So it has this part and this part. And then I have this for cards. And then that's like a little light. So that's the look. Now I just put this little bench here until I get my chair for my desk. So this is an empty wall. I'm not sure what I'm gonna put here yet, but I'm gonna put some bunch of decor and stuff and just make it nice in here. There's nothing much as yet, so that's just the look so far. That's for now. Okay guys, I almost forget to close off the video, so don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.